Hi there, it's Seb from Regton, and this video is to show you how to attach a new coil. So you can either use the Icon coil or the DS2 range, including the HF2 coil. So what we're going to do, we're going to pick up the remote control here, and we're going to go through till we find a coil. Now it's the last one. Now, yes, there is already a coil attached to this one. For this video, we are going to attach a second coil. Now you can do this one of two ways. You can either do the automatic pairing, which I'll show you later in the video, or you can do the manual pairing. Manual pairing is for if we're in the field like this. So what we need to do is we need to find the coil serial number. So the coil serial number is mounted just at the back here on the HF2 coil. So you can read it nice and clearly. On the DS2 coils, it tends to be somewhere in the middle here, but if you have a look on the coil, it should be somewhere in the middle. So we need to find our second coil slot, and we're going to hold down the cog. And now, as you remember earlier, my coil started with a 4, so we'll press the plus button to go through to the number 4. Then we'll press this right hand button here just to go to the next number or digit. And that is number 2. Then we'll press the right hand button again to go to the next one, which for me was an 8. And once again, we'll just go forwards and just press the right hand button. Now the next number or letter for me is F for Foxtrot, so we'll go through using the plus button until you find F. If you do go too far, but it's not a problem, you can press the minus button to go back, so you don't have to go all the way through. And the next one, once again pressing the right hand button, is a 7. So nice and easy, just press it through until you find number 7, and then press it once for the final time, and the last one is a 4. After that, you can just press this button and it's saved the coil. Okay, something I mentioned earlier about how to automatically pair the coil. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to press the cog button to go through the settings. Just keep on pressing the cog until you find the coil. Then you want to press the plus because we want it to be flashing to indicate that there is no coil saved. And we want to hold the cog button. At this moment in time, the numbers are flashing, or only one number is. At this moment in time, what you want to do is you want to put your chosen coil on charge. So that could be one of the XP DS2 range from the 9-inch, the 11, the 11x13, or even the HF2 elliptical coil, or even an Icon coil, for example. So if you now pop this coil on charge, the coil serial number will now populate into the Icon or the Icon X remote control. So the fastest way to pair up a coil, and there's no room for error that way.